Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Subnautica Below Zero. Your adventure begins by prioritizing survival. Immediately gather vital resources like titanium and silicon to craft essential tools such as your scanner and survival knife. Establishing a small, temporary base near your drop pod provides crucial oxygen and storage. Remember to explore your immediate surroundings to secure reliable sources of food and fresh water, ensuring your early game success in the frigid alien ocean. As you venture further, the sea truck becomes your primary vehicle for efficient underwater travel and resource gathering. Focus on upgrading your survival gear to withstand the planet's extreme temperatures and the immense pressure of deeper waters. Explore diverse biomass and uncover ancient alien artifacts, which are key to advancing the compelling narrative. Always monitor your oxygen, food, and water levels to avoid unexpected dangers in the vast, frozen ocean. Building a robust underwater base is crucial for your long-term survival and resource processing. Invest in developing advanced crafting stations to fabricate powerful tools, modules, and even new vehicles. Within your base, cultivate sustainable food sources and filter water, ensuring complete self-sufficiency. Expand your habitat with specialized modules like moon pools for vehicle docking and observatories for stunning views, making your Arctic home both functional and comfortable. The heart of Subnautica Below Zero lies in unraveling its captivating alien mystery on planet 4546b. Follow the narrative clues diligently, which will lead you through encounters with diverse and often dangerous Arctic wildlife. Prepare thoroughly for extensive deep-sea exploration, as many critical story locations are found far below the surface. Completing the main objectives will ultimately allow you to understand the profound secrets hidden within this frozen world.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.